For our project, we thought it would be interesting to explore the relationship between different factors that affect how many babies women have in a few different parts of the world. To start, we compared the relationship between babies per woman and mean years in school, women 25 plus. As you can see, there's an overall negative relationship. The number of children that women have goes down significantly the more years she spends in school.
Focusing in on a developed countries such as the United States, you can see that the mean years spent in school hovers between 10 and 14, and the number of children on average is between 2 and 3. This could be due to a number of factors including government policy, such as the Chinese, which is the largest circle on the graph. It is also a requirement to stay in school until the age of 16. Shifting to a country such as Nigeria, the largest blue circle on the graph, it is obvious there is a different trend. Women carry more children and are far less educated.
Government health care spending is of increasing importance to child health. There is a significant negative correlation seen between different levels of babies per woman carries and the total health spending.
Government health care spending is of increasing importance to child health. There is a negative correlation seen between different levels of babies per woman and the total health spending. For example, in developed countries such as the US, represented by the large green bubble, government spent sufficient money on health care, and the average babies per woman was around 2, which is relatively low.
The number of babies per woman varies directly with the number of people living in poverty. For instance, when looking at the United States, the data reveals that there are 1.68 million people living in poverty, and the average number of babies per woman is 2. Comparing this data to a country with higher rates of poverty such as Uganda, it shows that 12.5 million people are living in poverty, and the average number of babies per woman increases to 7. Countries with higher poverty may find it beneficial to have more children who can eventually help with labor. In developed countries where poverty rates are lower, the cost of raising a child is more expensive, so it is more optimal for them to have fewer children.